Hello, my name is Yo. I'm from restoration.bike, and in this video I'm going to show you how I overhauled these 1986 first generation Deore XT BL-M700 brake levers. They're probably the best looking brake levers I own, and they come from a Koga Miyata Adventure, which is a hybrid between a trekking bike and a mountain bike. And I really like the way they look. They're massive compared to other brake levers I have mounted on the various bicycles I own. And they were not in the best of condition. They were damaged and scratched, so I decided to sand them, polish them, hand sand them, and then polish them. I've done this before with a Cannondale Super V H22 Mahura brake lever, and the result was I really liked the result. So they, as you could see, they were originally black, but they were kind of faded because of normal usage, and they were damaged at the tips because that's what happened with brake levers when your bike falls over. There also was a little bit of play in them, so here you can see me tightening the nut, which keeps the lever in place. So to remove the play and really have that smooth, have them operated very smoothly. Again, I really like these, the massive feel. They're really heavy as well. And you know, brake levers nowadays, they're like half the size of this thing. And this is looks just better. They didn't care about weight that much, which was fine because weight really doesn't matter all that much on a bike, especially not this odd type of bike where this lever is going on. This is sewing machine oil. There are very small washers inside the lever mount that makes them rotate more smoothly, and the oil just adds to that really smooth feel of them. So if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and drop a like. If you have any questions for new videos, leave them in the comments below. Suggestions are also always welcome, and I hope to see you on the next video.